I have been so lazy today. So I guess that's where I'm getting my glow. But in my laziness, sitting around, laying around, I was thinking about this week, and my brother called me this week, and it made me chuckle. And I kept meaning to share this with you that my brother was the one who told me I was delusional about the whole scale thing. So anyway, and so this week he told me he got on the scale, and the scale said he had lost, and he thought it was his battery was dying. But did he change his battery? No, he decided to live in the delusion. So I can still impart wisdom to my siblings by telling them that sometimes you just not got to live in the glow. Just live in it for a while. So he said he was going to live in it for a couple of days and see what the scale said to him. So I'm going to have to call him today, check on him, and see what he says the scale is still saying, or if he actually changed the battery. Either way, it's fine. But live in the delusion a little bit because, we have to face so much stuff every single day. And I know I felt better that week I didn't watch the news. And even now I'm watching it less and less and less. Just a little, just to know that, the world hasn't come to an end. And I think if the battery died on my scale again, I might not change it. Anyway, find a little delusion today and laugh at your brothers and sisters and give them a call. Enjoy today. I'll see you next time.